Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsaiñ Hima.
Agriculture, engineering, mechanical. What is the key objective of the scheme? The key objective is to provide agricultural machineries such as power tillers, bulldozers, tractors, excavators, etc. on hiring at subsidized rate. What is the type of assistance entitlement? 60% subsidy for hiring of farm machineries and equipments. Who can apply for the scheme? Bona fide farmers having cultivable land and engaging in agriculture. How to apply for the benefits of the scheme? Bona fide farmers can apply in plain paper to the Assistant Agricultural Engineer Mechanical of the respective districts. What is the beneficiary selection procedure? Selection of farmers on first come, first served basis.